Hello, everybody. How the heck are we? I got to be real careful because I just broke one of the legs on my tripod. Atta boy, David. But I wanted to show you how I like to do my skirts. I've already got them plugged. I used the whole piece this time instead of cutting it in different sections just because of the skiving. Now, I also like to use, and that one's bigger than I'm what I call pull tugs. A lot of people don't like to use them because they say it rubs a spot on the horse. And well, here's how you keep it from, I've already done this. I'm just kind of doing it a second time just for giggles. But anyway, you punch your holes and then you come in with your French edger. Are you still able to see what I'm doing? Yeah, you are. Okay, cool beans. Then you come in and groove you a little spot with your French edger. It's going to be about what your pull tug is going to be. And then you can see, I hope, how I've skived the edges of this Latigo piece I got here. And you got to do this before you do your sheepskin. And that first one, it doesn't need that point on it. If I can find my cotton picking scissors, I'd cut it off, but I don't know where they're at, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'll just pull it a little bit more. But then you just come through here. You can pull it snug. Make sure you get them twists out of there. Then once you get that pulled snug and tight and everything, well, there won't be nothing there to bother your horse. But anyway, that's how I like to do it. I just thought I'd show you that trick right quick. Again, I'm not going to get too detailed and do all three of them, and I even got some up front. Just making it a little quickie. Toodaloo, buggaroos. DavidMillsSaddlery.com